Bantakwethu, umfowabo kaSenzo Meyiwa, uSifiso Meyiwa, usamile namanje kwinkulumo ethi cha, abasolwa laba abaphenywa enkantolo, abaphenywa-ke uJaji Ratha kanye-ke no-Advocate Baloyi noGininda, uthi cha, labo basolwa abambulalanga umfowabo. Uthi-ke yena wezwa ngawakhe etshelwa-ke u-Ivan Khoza ukuthi-ke kwenzakalani. U-Ivan Khoza-ke ungushameni we-Orlando Pirates, aphinde kabe ushameni webhola lapha eMzansi Afrika, aphinde abe usekela president we-SAFA noma-ke we-Association yebhola lapha eMzansi Afrika. Uthi kuSifiso Meyiwa, cha, wangitshela mina u-Ivan Khoza ukuthi umfowethu akabulawanga lezi gebengu ekuthiwa-ke zangena, kepha walimala ngephutha noma-ke wadubuleka ngephutha ezama ukulamula impi eyayikade isisukile ngaphakathi endlini lapho bekade-ke behleli khona noma-ke la akalimala khona ngo-2014 emzini kaKelly Khumalo. Ngicela ukuthi-ke uyizwele bese sihlangana nama-comments ungitshela ukuthi-ke wena ingabe ucabangani ngalokhu-ke okushiwo uSifiso Meyiwa, ngoba-ke kuyafana nalokhu okwake kwashiwo-ke u-Advocate Stefo ngaphambilini. Cela sihlangane nama-comments, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe. Ngiyabonga.
Dr. Ivan Khoza told me straight. He said, Sifiso, my son, your brother was not shot by any criminals. All these news that are moving around, it is because your brother is famous. If the truth was revealed, it was going to cause a lot of problems. Maybe people were going to fight. The real thing that happened, your brother was shot by mistake while he was trying to separate Zandi and her boyfriend because they were fighting. That's the main reason why they were fighting. Then, as time goes on, I got some information because the investigators that are investigating case 375, the second docket, the one that they don't want to be prosecuted, the docket is called the right suspect. Those investigators, they've been updating me. They told me that Longotala was very angry because on that week when Senzo passed away, he was trying to call his girlfriend Zandi and he didn't get hold of her. And by the day on the 26th when he arrived, even Tumelo confirmed that. He said Longo, when Longo came, he was very angry. Came inside the house and then he said they were sitting in the dining room. He sat amongst them and he didn't even greet anyone the way he was so angry because he thought Senzo and one of his friends, he was in love with Sandy.